morning and Assalamu alaikum for class students. I hope all of you are pretty well. I am your English teacher from the Educator School, Hafizabad campus. Well, today it's 10th of May 2021. Day is Monday. Subject is English and it's lecture number 3. And today we will solve the worksheets from the resource pack. Page 16, 17 and 18. So dear students, open the page 16 of the resource packs. Here is the worksheet number 2 of alphabetical order. So the directions are: read each pair of words, write which word would come first in alphabetical order. Dear students, you have to look at the first letter of the word and think that it comes first or not in alphabets. For example, first is run and walk. So R come first in alphabets, so you have to write it here, run. Like this, you will solve this worksheet by self. Dear student, next the worksheet number 3 from the page 17th of the resource pack. It's about simple present tense. So before solving this worksheet, we have to look at the tense. So let's start. The definition of the tense is that it tells the time of an action, mean that when the action has happened, we need to know about the time. So like this, there are 3 types of times. Present, it means today. Past, it means yesterday. And future, and it's mean tomorrow. So dear students, before knowing the structure of the positive sentences of the simple present tense, you have to know about subject, verb and object. So a subject is the person, place or thing that performs the action. And what is verb? The action words are called verb. And what's about object? An object is the person, place or thing that receives the action. So the formula of the simple present positive sentences is that subject plus verb first form, and we add SOES with the verb and then object. Now the question is, when we add S or ES and when not. In present simple, the verb changes, mean that we add S or ES with the verb only in third person singular, like he, she, it, a person, a thing, etc. Where it gets the suffix. Suffix is S or ES that we add at the end of the verb. The ES suffix is used when the verb ends in the letters SS, SH, CH, X or Z. So dear student, you have to also know about the persons. There are 3 types of persons. First person is I and we. In second person only is you included, and in third person he, she, it, they and singular or plural name. And in simple present tense, we add SOES with the first form of the verb when the subject first person is singular, like he, she, it or singular name. So on the worksheet, the question is filling the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in simple present tense. The first is I always dash my friends help, and I is the first person and we do not add S or ES with the first person, so only write help. Next is she dash tea but not coffee. The verb is like. She is a third person and it's also singular, so you have to write likes. Like this, you have to fill rest of the filling the blanks by yourself. Now the last worksheet on the page 18th of the resource pack, it's about paragraph writing. Write a short paragraph on my favorite hobby. Dear student, you have to write sentences in a paragraph about your favorite hobby, and you can take help from the picture. Look at the picture carefully. Here some children are planting plants. So the hobby is about gardening. You have to write about the favorite hobby, gardening. So write it by yourself. Now dear students, note your diary. So your homework is complete the pages 16, 17 and 18th of the resource pack. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.